This is tutorial number 27, and we will be covering the mirror sketch function within SOLIDWORKS. To start off, let's click File, click New, click Part, click OK. Now what we're going to do in this tutorial is create a sketch and make a mirror image of it on the other side. So let's sketch, click Line, click the front plane, and let's make our sketch on the left side of the origin. So let's make a line up top, bring it down, and keep going down until we get the dotted blue line. Now let's grab the 3-point arc, click the point, click the other point, and we can make our curve as big as we want. Let's make it at the 90-degree angle. Click OK. Now we are going to put in a center line, which is going to be the line where we are going to mirror the sketch. And bring it straight up. Click OK. And now we've created the sketch, and we've created the line in which we're going to mirror it. Now to mirror it, let's right-click the sketch, click Edit Sketch. Now let's open up the mirror function. Now we're going to have to mirror the entities. The entities are every single line that we drew. And now click the center line that we made to mirror it about. Click OK. And now we've mirrored our first sketch on the other side of the center line. Now we can keep going, and we can make Smart Dimension. Click the center line, click a point on the first drawing, and let's say we'll make it 150 millimeters away, and both are affected. So we can still manipulate the right-hand drawing by changing stuff on the left-hand drawing. So let's click the Add Relation button. Let's make this line equal to this line. Click Equal. Click OK. And let's click the Smart Dimension tool, and let's make this line 70 millimeters. Click OK. And as you can see, whatever we do to the left-hand sketch, it's reflected in the mirror image on the right hand. Click OK. And still with these two sketches that we made, we're still able to extrude parts from them. So let's click the sketch, click Feature, click Extrude Base, and as you can see, we can still extrude out from them. Click OK, and we've created two identical parts. And this concludes our tutorial of the mirror sketch function.